Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's look is a tutorial on how to achieve a seamless blend. Don't forget to check out my Instagram and Twitter, which are on screen. Let's get into it. I'm using the Morphe James Charles Artistry palette and dipping into 10% off. Using the Morphe E36 brush, I'm really focusing that on my true crease and a bit above in order to position the blend. I start with a relatively dark shadow on a tacky base, using patching motions first and then swiping in a windshield wiper motion, as I find I get more of a seamless blend if I use this method. Next I'm adding Rusted above 10% off using another E36 brush and doing the exact same as what I've just done previously. On an M506 brush, I'm taking 518 and using soft circular motions to buff that above Rusted. This helps create a nice blend both with the previous shadow but also with the base. I go back in with the previous shades to help create the blend and also to bring back some pigment that may have been lost. Taking B on another M506 brush, I'm lightly buffing that above the previous shade and again going in with the previous colours to bring back the pigment and intensify it. For our darkest shade, I'm using No Beans and packing that underneath 10% off in my actual crease. I find that I'm most comfortable using this technique, however, sometimes depending on different palettes, I find I may have to go in with the darkest shade first and then work up to using the lightest shade. I'm repeating this to create a wing from my lower lash line to the tip of the wing we've created. Now using this Morphe M410 brush, I'm using the same concealer I used as my base to create a tacky base for our shimmer shade. From the ColourPop Through My Eyes palette, I'm taking Mesmerize on this flat Morphe brush and packing that on the base we've just set down. Using the E36 brush and the leftover pigment from No Beans, I'm blending the shimmer into the matte blend we've just created. For my highlight, I'm using the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter and the M213 brush for my brow bone and inner corner. Finally, for lashes, I'm taking the Fluff and Pretty lashes in More. Blending definitely is something that takes quite a lot of practice, but I find using a tacky base and packing the pigment on first, then buffing out, you'll achieve a seamless and pigmented blend. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed or found it helpful. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I upload. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter if you'd like to keep up to date with me, and thank you for watching.